Welcome to our class on character development. Today, we'll explore the essentials of creating multidimensional characters that captivate your audience. A compelling story hinges on well-developed characters. We'll start by discussing methods for building complex characters with distinct voices and motivations. One effective tool is the character profile. This helps you outline key traits, backgrounds, and goals for each character. Backstory is crucial for adding depth. It provides context for your character's actions and decisions, making them more relatable. Character dynamics are also important. How your characters interact with each other can reveal much about their personalities and growth. We'll also cover practical exercises to help you apply these techniques. These exercises will guide you in creating well-rounded characters for your own stories. By the end of this class, you'll have the tools to bring your characters to life. You'll be able to craft characters that resonate with your readers. Thank you for joining us. Let's dive into the world of character development and start creating unforgettable characters together.